Welcome back, students. In this video we will discuss these three questions based on binomial distribution. Okay, after this we will start Poisson distribution. तो इसमें फर्स्ट क्वेश्चन क्या है, अगर आपके पास बाइनोमियल वेरिएट एफ एक्स है विद टोटल नंबर ऑफ ट्रायल 6 एंड दिस इज द रिलेशन. ओके, तो बाय यूजिंग दिस रिलेशन यू हैव टू फाइंड आउट योर पी. नाउ लेट्स स्टार्ट. फर्स्ट क्या दिया हुआ है सॉल्यूशंस में. फर्स्ट what is given to you कि n is equal to 6 and 9 times probability of x equal to 4 is equal to probability of x is equal to 2. This is given to you. Now what is the formula for probability of p? X is equal to x. Use that formula here. It will be total number of trial 6, c 4, p की power 4, q की power 6 minus 4 is equal to 6c2 p की पावर 2 q की पावर 6 minus 2. This okay. Now it will be 9 into 6 factorial y में 4 factorial into 2 factorial. Same in this side will come p की पावर 4 q की square. 6 factorial y में 4 factorial 2 factorial p square q की पावर 4. This cancel out, this cancel out. Now from here and here complete p will cancel out, power 2. Here complete q cancel out, here power 2. So it will be 9p square is equal to q square. Now q is equal to 1 minus p. So 9p square is equal to 1 minus p का whole square, which is 1 square 1 plus p square minus 2pq. तो shift this on left side, it will be 8p square plus 2p minus 1 is equal to 0. Now factorize it in such a way कि their product will be 8 and sum will be this. Product will be minus 8 and sum will be 2. तो 8p square plus 4p minus 2p minus 1 is equal to 0. It will be 4p p plus not p only 2p plus 1 minus 2p plus 1 is equal to 0. So it will be 2p plus 1 into 4p minus 1 is equal to 0. Now from here your value of p will be 1 by 4. If it is this, so here what will come from here? From here it will come p is equal to minus 1 by 2. Probability of success or any probability, can it be negative? No, either it is positive or something greater than 0 and less than 1. So this case is rejected, so p is equal to 1 by 4 for first case. Now second question है 10 coins are tossed simultaneously, find probability of x greater than equal to 7. तो n is equal to 10. Okay, probability of x greater than equal to 7, this will be probability of x is equal to 7 plus probability of x is equal to 8, probability of x is equal to 9 and probability of x is equal to 10. Now what will the probability of success p and failure q in this case? Coin is tossed ना, तो head आने के find ये हेड्स के लिए है. आई डिडंट मेंशन दिस थिंग. ओके, हेड आने के चांसेस बताओ सच दैट हेड कितना आए ग्रेटर देन इक्वल टू 7. ओके, हेड्स फॉर हेड्स वी आर डूइंग. सेम कैन कम फॉर टेल्स ऑल्सो. नाउ टेल मी वन थिंग, प्रोबेबिलिटी ऑफ कमिंग हेड फॉर वन कॉइन दैट विल बी 1 by 2 and for q 1 minus 1 by 2 which is again 1 by 2. Put in this formula, that will be total 10 c7 1 by 2 की पावर 7 1 by 2 की पावर 3. तो this p and this q will combine together and it will form 10 every time. So I am not writing it 2 times, I am just writing here 1 by 2 की पावर 10 plus 10c8 1 by 2 की पावर 10 plus 10c9 1 by 2 की पावर 10 plus 10c 10 1 by 2 की पावर 10. Take 1 by 2 की power 10 common. Inside this what will left? 10c7. तो 10c7 का open that factorial. 10 factorial 7 factorial into 3 factorial plus 10 factorial 8 factorial into 2 factorial plus 10 factorial 9 factorial into 1 factorial plus 10 factorial 1 into 10 factorial into 0 factorial. 10 से 10 cancel. Okay, I can write it as 10 9 8 factorial. 8 से 8 cancel. यहाँ पे I can write it as 9 factorial. ये cancel हो गया. I can write this 10 factorial as 10 9 8 7 factorial. 7 से 7 cancel. 3 factorial I can write it as 3 into 2. Okay, तो 3 3 जा 9 2 4 जा 8. Okay, 2 5 are 10 and okay. So it will be 1 by 2 raised to the power 10 for 120 plus 2 5s are 45 plus 10 plus 1. So it will be 1 by 2 raised to the power 10, 165, 175, 176. This will be your answer for the second case. Okay, now third case, third question. What is third question? Binomial distribution consisting of 5 independent trials. Okay, probability of x is equal to 1. फर्स्ट ट्रायल के सक्सेस होने की प्रोबेबिलिटी ये दी हुई है, सेकेंड की ये दी हुई है. यू हैव टू फाइंड आउट व्हाट p. ओके, तो नाउ probability of 1, third solution, is equal to probability of x is equal to 1, which will be total 5 independent trials are there. तो 5c1 p की पावर 1 q की पावर 5 minus 1 is equal to 0.4096. okay, probability of 2 is equal to probability of x is equal to 2 is equal to 5c2 p square q 5 minus 2 is equal to 0.2048. What you need to find out? P. Now what I will do? I will divide it. Divide. Say it is 1. It is 2. 1 by 2. So 1 को whenever you will divide by 2, you will get 5 factorial. Just open this factorial. 5 minus 1, 4 factorial into 1 factorial. p की पावर 1, q की पावर 4. Here डिनोमिनेटर में 5 factorial अपॉन में 3 factorial into 2 factorial. p square q पावर 3 is equal to 0.4096 अपॉन में 0.2048. 2048 multiplied by 2, you will get this term. So I can cancel this at 2. Now 4 factorial cancel out each other. Now from here I can write it as 4 into 3 factorial, cancel out this 2, this. So it will be 5 by 10. डिनोमिनेटर में this is power 1, this is power 2. तो यहाँ पे p ऊपर q is equal to 2 by 1. I can write this q as, तो q by p is equal to 2 into 2 which is 4. तो q is equal to 4p. okay, this implies q is 1 minus p is equal to 4p. So it will be 1 is equal to 5p. p is equal to 1 upon में 5. This is the success probability in third question. Okay,